When you want to join a Zoom meeting, there are three pieces of information that can be helpful. The first piece of information that you can use is the meeting link. Usually, depending on how you've been using your current device, clicking on that link will automatically bring you into that meeting once it is started by your teacher. There are going to be times, again, depending on how your device has been used, where you may need these other two pieces of information, the meeting ID and the password. The meeting ID is a 10-digit number that the Zoom app may ask you to enter in order to join a meeting. Once you've done so, you may be prompted to enter the password as well. So it's a good idea to have those pieces of information available anytime that you want to join a meeting. If you are prompted to enter the meeting code, you can simply grab it from wherever your teacher has announced that meeting and paste it into the Zoom app. If the meeting then asks you to enter a password, again, use the information that your teacher provides to enter the password and join the meeting. Again, you may not always need to enter this information, but it's helpful to have it on hand in case you are asked for it. Now, depending on the status of your meeting and when your teacher is planning to begin, you may see a message like this one. This message tells us that the teacher is ready to start the meeting, but that we are currently in the waiting room. All that means is that the teacher needs to click on a few buttons to make sure that we are a part of the meeting. If it takes more than 5 minutes after the meeting is supposed to begin, it might be a good idea to reach out to your teacher to let them know that you are in the waiting room. However, your teacher will have an indication that that's where you are and that they need to let you in. Another message that you might see is that the meeting has not yet begun. In that case, the teacher has not opened the Zoom meeting yet and is not ready to welcome students into that meeting. In that case, just be patient, and when your teacher starts the meeting, you'll see a message similar to this one saying that you are a part of the waiting room. Once the teacher lets you into the meeting, you're then ready to participate and be a part of your class.